We have the durian, which also grows in Malaysia. We have the pomelos or the suha, the rambutan, the mangosteen, and bananas, all of which are grown here in Davao City. Please enjoy. We would like to request our friends from the media and also from the tribal houses to move off from the area and let our guests enjoy their meal. We would like to